Hello and welcome to ET Garage. This is a short video of how the parking brake on a 90 C4 Corvette works. I had a subscriber ask how that's done. I guess he said he couldn't understand it even though people explained it to him. Now, keep in mind, not all year C4s use this brake setup for the parking brake. Some have the drum style where they have inside the disc, the brake rotor, is a small drum, and they have a small set of brake pads inside there that are actuated mechanically. But anyway, I'll try. First thing I'm going to explain is that this is basically a sliding caliper. I don't know if you can see that's how it slides back and forth, and when pressure is applied to this piston, it pulls this whole bracket that way, and that's what squeezes the caliper. It doesn't take a lot of movement. If your caliper doesn't slide back and forth like this one is, it means these bolts in here are seized, and you need to take that apart and or buy a reconditioned one. But anyway, this is how the parking brake works. This cable here runs to your parking brake handle via several other cables, and basically all it is a cam. And I don't know if you can see that. Hopefully you can. It's just this little push rod right here that it pushes against. I'll try and zoom in on it when I edit the video. Hopefully we'll be able to do that. And it pushes the pad out. It only needs to push the pad out really several thousand, so it doesn't need to be a lot. Depending on the brake rotor and whatnot, but it doesn't need to be a lot to hold that brake rotor act as a parking brake. And that's how that works. Basically, it's just a cam. This rotates and pushes that there, and that's it. That's how it works. It's just a little lever, pushes against a rod. The rod pushes. It only pushes on the one side. That's all that's needed. It's not it's meant to be used as a parking brake, not as a full-time brake. So that's all it's needed, and that's how it works. So I hope this is helpful. If you don't understand how that parking brake action works on this, that's it. Everybody have a great day. God bless.